we just hit our third target, which is $31,000 on Bitcoin. Well, this is the move that I've been waiting for on Bitcoin ever since we actually break all the way down here, breaking this first zone, then we actually break this second zone, then we are finally breaking above this third zone. But before we break out this third zone, let's see what happened on this third zone, right? And if we can zoom our over to the 1 hour time frame, we can actually see that Bitcoin has been trending on a resistance level. First of all, we like to actually see more zoom up on the price of this Bitcoin. Over here, where Bitcoin actually retraces back to the market, and here was a very good level of the resistance, right? And over here, we actually see this market bounce up to $30,800 up here, and the second rejection we got over here, and we have a rejection over here too as well. And we can see that here is a good point for us to actually monitor the market over here. And so far, each time we actually retrace it back, we end at this point. When we trace it back, we end at this point before beginning on the market. At this time, I actually told you guys that we are going to have a very massive bump very soon. Is either the upside or the downside, because the market can be actually be manipulating. So there will be a big move. And if you're on my WhatsApp class, I already told you guys that there will be a big move coming up. And here we actually see the breakout. Okay, we actually see the breakout that actually happened here. When we actually reach the edge of this line, we actually experience a breakout here. And so far, after we get the breakout, we are about hitting, we also hit $31,431 on Bitcoin before actually retracing little back. And I think we are going to go more way ahead in the market, because over here we actually break this zone here. We actually break here and actually retraces more ahead to the market. Here may be as a point of resistance level, but over here we actually see the more resistance level before we see our more ahead to the market, right? So we are finally break out, reaching the last target, which is $31,000. I think, guys, we are on the bull market, and everybody need to pay attention. I have been telling you guys to be buying when Bitcoin was low. I have been telling you guys this is a good buying opportunity. I have been telling you guys, sharing this on my WhatsApp class, sharing this on my WhatsApp group ever since we are here selling. When Bitcoin was actually selling at $25,000, I actually told you guys to buy. And currently right now, this is the future. Bitcoin is heading to higher move, and we can actually see it right now. And currently right now, Bitcoin is selling at the rate of 31,200 plus. If you can actually see it here, 31,200 plus dollar. And if you can actually see it here, I think Worldcoin is actually regaining price, as well as Matis, and if you can check over to Matis and we see what Matis have, you can actually see that Matis is close to the deadline. Matis will be pumping up every time from now, anytime from now, because over here we can check for the 1 hour time frame. We can see something very close here. We can actually see that Multi break this zone above the pink line, and the currently right now the pink line is trending below it at this zone. That means you actually know what happened here. Each time you actually see a cross between this line, you actually know that there will be a big move on that particular coin, right? And currently right now, if we can check on the 4 hour time frame, we can actually see more market that this coin is actually moving up to now. So I don't think it's actually going to make high move for now, but I think because okay, over here we can actually see a good opportunity that on the 4 hour time frame we have actually created a stick here. That means it is left for us to actually go more ahead to the upside to actually create a stick, because at this bottom, at this stick, this red stick here, you can actually see that we have not construct a stick at the upside, right, but we have construct a stick at the downside. That means it is left for us to actually see more significant move to the upside on multi-coin. So as WorldCoin, we actually be making more profit on it. The profit on WorldCoin over the previous days. I have actually, even when WorldCoin was actually down, I keep on buying because I see the good potential on all these coins. Even Mars coin is actually gaining more strength ahead of the market, and soon, guys, we are actually going to see this coin gain more strength in the coming days as Bitcoin is about to get a big move. We are on the Bitcoin bull market. Remember, these are the three zones that we actually pay attention to in the on Bitcoin, right? And if we click over to Bitcoin right now on the 1 day time frame, we can actually see that this was our first zone, our second zone, and our third zone, and we have actually break the third zone. That means we are at the bull market, guys. And if we be looking at the 3 days time frame, we have been looking at more on the 2 days time frame, right? Let us actually check more on the 2 days time frame. You can actually see that we have more way ahead to the market. Of course, we need to actually break this zone, and if we are to retest back, I think this will be as a support of resistance level for us to actually retrace back and move higher to the market. I think Bitcoin has a good future if you can actually trade responsibly. Okay, there will be a verificat on the Bitcoin market, so you don't need to actually pay attention to those fake out. I think Bitcoin have more way to go, and if you have been checking out the more way to go, I think if I'll be checking out, I'll be checking out on 1 week time frame. Of course, 1 week time frame is actually going to help us zoom more of what this coin is capable of doing, right? And if we be checking, Bitcoin can even go as high as this level, and if we can check at this level is currently at $37,000 or $35,000. Okay, so Bitcoin have more ways to go in the market. Of course, this is a very important zone we actually need to be paying attention to, because we actually see the yellow line heading towards the market, and whenever we see this, there will be a pump over the previous market and the upcoming market that is coming. So you guys need to actually pay more attention to that, and of course we are going to actually have a round movement on this market. Of course, I will actually see this blue line trending below this, and the market will be actually flashing more high in the market. For me, I think Bitcoin is going to make a very good move. Whatever you are doing right now, I think holding Bitcoin is the best opportunity for you. And of course, you guys know that each time Bitcoin move, we are going to actually see other coins move in the market. This is an important zone that you can actually pay attention to, that Bitcoin is about to move in the market. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, you can do it to subscribe to my channel. If you want to start up your trading journey, you can use the link in the description of my video to get started, where you are actually going to sign up and you're going to get discount on trading fee, right? So let's say I'm going to say peace out, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe